Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Triumph has revealed an all-new triple-power middleweight sport bike for 2024, the Daytona 660. Deliver thrilling sport performance, a dynamic ride, and the highest quality, capability, and specification in its class. Featuring a significant evolution of Triumph distinctive and unique 660cc triple engine, now with 95 PS peak power and 69 Nm of peak torque, the Daytona 660 provides a smooth, responsive, and linear delivery with the perfect combination of low-down torque, mid-range, and top-end power, as well as delivering 17% more power and 9% more torque than the Trident. The Daytona 660 also has a brand new exhaust, creating an unmistakable sport soundtrack. The Daytona 660's perfectly balanced chassis and intuitive, agile sport handling is combined with all-day riding comfort thanks to high specification equipment, including Showa upside-down big piston 41mm fork and a Showa preload adjustable monoshock RSU. The radial 4-piston brakes with twin 310mm discs and braided brake lines are paired with Michelin new Power 6 tires. Combined with an 810mm seat height, narrow standover, and optimized bar and footbrake position, the Daytona 660 delivers an exciting and confidence-inspiring ride. Ensuring riders always feel in complete control, the Daytona 660 is equipped with a rider-focused technology, including 3 riding modes: Sport, Road, and Rain, which optimize throttle response and traction control setting for the condition. Plus, there is a new emergency deceleration warning system that activates the hazard light to alert other road users during heavy braking. The unmistakable Daytona design DNA has been reimagined with a refreshed attitude for an aggressive new stance and clean lines. Distinctive twin LED headlights incorporate the central air intake, and the minimal bodywork emphasizes the athletic profile, ending in a contour LED taillight. There are 3 striking color options available, all featuring a bold 660 race-inspired graphic.